Shalom, Israel. 12SHIELD General Mahayaman is coming to the DMV, DC, Maryland, Virginia. All hands on deck.
You killed the North American Indians and took his land. You took black people and made them your slaves. You conquered South America, and now you are the #1 country on the planet. I know racism works.
12SHIELD General Mahayaman will be having his scripture breakdown class next Thursday. He's gonna be present for the ISUPK Street Speaking on Friday, 7th and 8th Street, Northwest, Washington, D.C. Saturday, Street Speaking, Lexington Market, Baltimore, MD. For more information on the location of Thursday night scripture breakdown class with 12SHIELD General Mahayaman, call 240-701-4825. That's 240-701-4825. Remember, all hands on deck. It's gonna be a powerful weekend with 12SHIELD General Mahayaman. ISUPK. No cowards, no excuses.
When we jump about the van, boy, them friends go to swing.